Unlocking Success. 18 AI-powered digital marketing tools for small business owners. Hello, small business owners. Are you looking to enhance your digital marketing strategies? If yes, then you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll discuss 18 advanced AI applications that can transform your digital marketing approach. We have everything you need to improve your SEO, including optimizing your website and analyzing your competitors. Moreover, we have a groundbreaking AI tool that can significantly boost your lead conversion rates. Trust us, we've got you covered. Get ready to explore the innovative solutions that can revolutionize your business and take it to new heights of success. 1. Ali AI, best for on-page SEO. Problem: you run a small online boutique selling handmade jewelry. Your products are not easily discoverable by potential customers browsing the internet. Solution: Ali AI is the ultimate solution for enhancing your product descriptions and meta tags. With its incredible capabilities, it ensures that your exceptional products are easily discovered by potential customers. 2. Can I rank, best for competitor analysis. Problem: you own a small coffee shop in a bustling neighborhood. You need insights into the online rankings of your competitors. Solution: Can I Rank provides valuable insights into your competitors' online rankings, enabling you to craft marketing strategies that set you apart in the local coffee scene. 3. Surfer SEO, best for content creation for SEO. Problem: you are in charge of managing an exclusive travel blog that focuses on extraordinary destinations. You struggle to create search engine optimized content that connects with your audience. Solution: Surfer SEO is the solution for creating captivating content that is fully optimized for SEO. It helps attract more visitors to your blog and build a strong connection with your audience. 4. Content Genius FX, best for SEO content creation and analysis. Problem: you want to boost clients' organic traffic at your digital marketing agency. Your content needs to dominate search engine rankings and captivate potential leads. Solution: Content Genius FX, powered by IBM Watson, transforms your content into an irresistible force that dominates search engine rankings and captivates potential leads. 5. ChatGPT, best for creating outline for blog posts. Problem: you provide online courses as a small business owner. Developing captivating outline for educational blog posts is time-consuming. Solution: ChatGPT helps you effortlessly develop captivating outlines for educational blog posts, keeping your audience informed and engaged. 6. Grammarly, best for content editing. Problem: you own an e-commerce store selling eco-friendly products. Creating error-free product descriptions and blog posts is challenging. Solution: Grammarly enables you to create error-free product descriptions and blog posts that resonate with your environmentally conscious target audience. 7. Phrasee, best for AI-powered copywriting. Problem: running an email marketing campaign for an online bakery. Generating catchy subject lines and engaging email content is difficult. Solution: Phrasee helps generate catchy subject lines and engaging email content, enticing subscribers to click through and make a purchase. 8. RevealBot, best for automated ad management. Problem: managing social media ads for a fitness studio. Manual ad creation, targeting, and optimization consume valuable time. Solution: RevealBot automates creating, targeting, and optimizing ads with real-time performance data, maximizing ad budget effectiveness. 9. Adobe Sensei, best for personalized marketing campaigns. Problem: running an online clothing store. Creating personalized marketing campaigns based on customer data is challenging. Solution: Adobe Sensei analyzes customer data and creates personalized marketing campaigns tailored to each customer's preferences, boosting retention and sales. 10. Acquisio, best for AI-powered PPC management. Problem: running a PPC campaign for local plumbing services. Optimizing ad spend, keywords, and conversions manually is complex. Solution: Acquisio automates bid adjustments, keyword targeting, and conversion maximization, ensuring optimal ad spend allocation. 11. Yext, best for local SEO management. Problem: managing multiple locations for a restaurant chain. The discrepancy in business information found in online directories adversely affects the visibility of local search results. Solution: Yext ensures consistent business information across directories, improving local search visibility and driving foot traffic to establishments. 12. Albert AI, best for cross-channel marketing automation. Problem: tech startup need help managing marketing campaigns on various channels. Analyzing data and adapting strategies across channels in real time is challenging. Solution: Albert AI not only analyzes data but also adjusts strategies in real time. This powerful combination saves valuable time while ensuring a consistent brand experience across all channels. 13. Boomtrain, best for personalized content recommendations. Problem: operating an online bookstore. Delivering personalized book recommendations based on browsing history is time-consuming. Solution: Boomtrain analyzes browsing and purchase history to deliver personalized book recommendations, enhancing customer engagement and increasing sales. 14. Conversica, best for AI-driven lead conversion. Problem: running a real estate agency. Connecting with potential clients and guiding them towards conversion is challenging. Solution: Conversica connects with potential clients through email or chat, assessing their potential and guiding them towards valuable appointments efficiently. 15. Crayon, best for competitive intelligence. Problem: monitoring competitors' activities as a software company. Tracking pricing changes, product launches, and marketing strategies of competitors is time-consuming. Solution: Crayon monitors competitors' activities, providing insights to adjust tactics and stay ahead in the market. 16. Drift, best for conversational marketing. Problem: operating a consulting business. Engaging with website visitors effectively in real time is challenging. Solution: Drift's AI-driven chatbots are designed to actively connect with visitors and promptly address their questions and inquiries. These bots are great at managing appointments and finding promising leads, which greatly improves the customer experience and increases conversions. 17. Bright Edge, best for AI-driven SEO insights. Problem: enhancing e-commerce website performance in search engines. Identifying keyword opportunities and optimizing content for search engines is complex. Solution: Bright Edge offers guidance on keyword opportunities, content optimization, and backlink strategies, enhancing organic search visibility and attracting qualified traffic. 18. Gong, best for sales conversation analytics. Case scenario: analyzing sales calls and meetings for a SaaS startup. Identifying successful sales tactics from conversations is challenging. Solution: Gong is the solution that transcribes sales calls and meetings, allowing you to analyze conversations and uncover crucial insights. By utilizing this powerful tool, you can significantly enhance your sales performance, resulting in increased deals and greater success. Conclusion: integrating AI applications into your digital marketing toolkit as a small business owner can significantly streamline processes, enhance targeting capabilities, and drive superior campaign results. By harnessing the power of AI, you can unlock new opportunities for growth and success in today's competitive marketplace. Explore these AI applications to see how they can improve your marketing and help your business grow. Stay innovative, stay informed, and watch your business thrive with the help of AI technologies. If you found this video valuable and enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe for more AI-driven digital marketing insights. Thank you for tuning in.